Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Laosge Wi-Fi extender to its factory settings. Whether you're dealing with connection issues, troubleshooting, or getting ready to set it up again, this step-by-step guide will ensure a smooth and easy reset process for you. Resetting your Laosge Wi-Fi extender is necessary when it's not functioning correctly, or if you're experiencing connectivity issues. It restores the device to factory settings, allowing you to fix errors or prepare it for a fresh setup without old configurations interfering. Before we get started, let's unbox the Laosge Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a power outlet. Make sure to place it somewhere in between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. The power light should turn on, indicating that the device is powered up. First, you'll need to locate the reset button on your Laosge Wi-Fi extender. This button is usually small and located on the side or the back of the device. It might be labeled Reset or Restore. Make sure you have the device powered on before you proceed. To reset the device, use a pin or a paper clip to press and hold the reset button. Hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the lights on the extender will begin to blink, and the device will start the reset process. After the reset is complete, the Wi-Fi extender will return to its default factory settings. The power light should stay solid, and the Wi-Fi signal lights might blink or show a default state. You're now ready to set up your Laosge Wi-Fi extender again. Now that the extender has been reset, you can reconnect to the default Wi-Fi network. Open your Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone or computer, and look for the Laosge_XX network. Once you're connected to the Laosge Wi-Fi extender, open a web browser and enter the default IP address in the address bar. This will take you to the setup page where you can begin configuring the extender again, customizing the settings to fit your needs. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's it. Your Laosge Wi-Fi extender has been successfully reset. If you need to set it up again, just follow the steps in the setup guide. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.